Hey, this is War Weasel. I'm still alive and I'm still working. I've just had some setbacks and I thought I would show what I've been doing lately. Here we go. There we are. So I can interact. Alright, I can open doors on both sides. Alright. I can equip weapons. I can aim. And I can shoot. So I still have a lot of work to do, but I'm putting together all of my old projects into a system that I can maintain by myself, and hopefully a plugin. Alright. Well, hope you enjoyed that. Here's some debugging information for you. Yep. And that's all.